I'm so excited to bring this young man on stage because his art form is very energetic, he's spontaneous, he's creative, and most importantly, a cappella is fearless. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the owner of the show, the headliner. Please make some noise with all your voice.
My God. If I be a man of God, over unlike most people we make it for people. Over Nigeria, you know say anytime they promote show for Nigeria, something go up, can't distract your show. When basketball they promote a show, 9 square quarter. The quarter can't distract everybody. Like say basket, no be basket, that show. For be like hospital show. When I plan this show, I begin praying. Father, anything we go make P Square settle, die. The fees settle tomorrow, no problem. Who get show next week may break. No. Because Nigeria right now, you gotta do things. You gotta say, hey, now wow, see package you won't mess me up. You gotta do things. You gotta say you don't get liver. I get followers. They go come. Some na miracle. Not be everybody will get chest. Now in the gym, some carry people for mind. Because this Nigeria over there, everybody is somehow angry for nothing. That's why you can't play unnecessary games in Nigeria. For instance, on your social media for abroad, you fit just go your page, post one riddle, people will follow you play. You do a riddle like, when I was 6 years old, my brother was half my age, now I am 55, how old is my brother? Abroad, they will give you the answer. If you try it for Nigeria, they want you. When I was 6 years old, my brother was half my age, now I am 55, how old is my brother? Somebody go reply, that's your family problem. Want to bring your family problem here. Now someone get going page, thinking say get people for page. Now he post one riddle. He say I'm an object. When I'm inside, I'm naked. When I'm outside, I'm naked. What am I? Somebody say you are mad. So them mad people that behave like that. The level of illiteracy that's eating deep in our country is so interesting, but it's worrisome. You go see beautiful girl, all of them go make up face, no one they make up mind to go school. Ask a beautiful girl, they ask one, will you go ahead to marry your fiancé if you discover he has esophagus? The girl say it depends. They say it depends on what? If it's esophagus 1, I can cope. Esophagus 2, no, I don't think. I don't think I'll go ahead. No. I don't think. The one where came in where they ask one, translate to simple English. John would don't mature. And the girl reply, Bush is an adult. One man that advised him begin. Now he tell the pikin, son, as you grow old, there are things you need to avoid. Avoid women. The boy know they get the message. 2 of them, they walk out one day. One baby gather things, call the pass. And the father called the son. This is what I'm telling you about. You need to avoid things like this. This kind of quest, they will send you to village. All the great men you know in this life, this is what keep them. Now the boy look at Papa, if not so, I want to die a great man. Let me die a great man. It's just like Nigeria, and I go see 2 beautiful girls or 3 girls they walk up. You know, so most times when girls they walk up, what you do, now the one the fellow. Then once the one look, the license of you they call. Her response now the same anywhere is approved by government. As you don't why in a hurry. One day they walk up, now that one do why in a hurry. Thinking so now she they call. Now the guys keep up. Come begin talk to the next baby. As that one frown. Now I say, Jessica, leave her move. This life not turn by turn. It go reach everybody. Sometimes this life, now you be two-faced, now you the rain. Sometimes you are face, you are just alone. Sometimes you are black face, nobody saying you. You be like this selling. Me, okay, Bakassi and Senator, we go London. One of my friends don't come our hotel room. Around to 2, the kid complain. He said the sofa is too much. I said, what's the problem? He said, see the time when I wake up. I said, when did you wake up? He said, after 1. I said, let me suffer. He said, normally, if there's good life, I'll wake up by 3 o'clock. I said, Nigeria, federal government approved time to wake up. even if you don't get where to go, wake up first. Now when you wake up, God realize say, don't get where to go. Oh, I don't even get work. You continue. See Buhari recently. Buhari go United Nations meeting. And they tell us say they need to help Puerto Rico. You saw what's the problem? They say there's flood all over Puerto Rico, children are suffering, there's hungry, and there's no light. Now Buhari asked them the question, what exactly is the problem? Because if not this problem, now we need help as Puerto Rico. As the average Nigerian girl sit here now, what's your dream man? All of them have the same response. Oh my God, I like them tall, dark, handsome, thunder, fire you. We will not go marry. And there's something we do in Nigeria. We generalize everything. You want to get married to a woman, you go see the man go to get a family. There's one particular language everybody use. They'll say, I saw a beautiful flower in the compound and I like to pluck it. If the girl fine, no problem. Use that kind of language. If the girl will tell the father the truth, tell her say, see Peter leave, you won't help her. He tell her Casadena, why they piss me off, somebody go born daughter, train and finish, daughter go mature. Then because if somebody comes, I want to ask your daughter's hand in marriage. Waiting to anybody. No, I go send my pikin for all the whole major school. You go look my daughter finish, go say, I want to ask. And you know women are very smart. Women have the ability to remember something whenever happen. One woman don't look in husband. That's how the last time I asked you 100K, you refused to give me. The man said, me. When? He said, what you are doing, very soon you will do it now. Now, some men think women are very disobedient. Wrong. Now, you never tell the woman what's interesting. Women are very obedient when the issue is interesting. If you think that they lie, ask all these cameramen. If you see the way your wife will obey cameraman, you will be a past man of God. Women normally won't snap picture. See you. Cameraman will say, Madam, you are smiling too much. See your wife now, wait, you bright press, you got it confused. And you know, say, no matter how big boy you are in this country, anytime when they snap passport, you be like less privilege. And I don't know why, no matter how you know they get on that first time. Once you sit down, cameraman go look you, Oga. You now you go do. Oga. Now the time when you come feel like say you do like this, cameraman go do you. Now recently, one way they funny for Nigeria, they changed PLC and name till today. Now NEPA will they call up. I make her look at this salad. You never notice it in today, every toothpaste for Nigeria na close up. Somebody go home and clean so that the close up don't finish. I go Cotonou recently. What did I see for Cotonou? I went on a tour. They got to show me different things what happened before the slave trade era, during the slave trade era, different things. So they show me some snakes. They say these snakes, no, they kill people. These snakes, 90 people, now you know all the people for this community. They got to show me one pot. They say this pot don't face down for 200 years. So, but they turn the pot once in 7 years. They go turn and open, do their ritual, close and back. And the guy said, but for the past 21 years, they never turn up. I said, what happened? He said, usually, to turn the pot open, then they need 21 virgins to cut turn up. Now I said, so what's it happen? He said, they don't see again. He said, but we turned it last 7 years. I said, who cut on up? He said, we'll just go find some widow. I said, oh, the thing red, now even the Abba is called, they say, at all, I'm bad pass, at all. Anyone was it? One woman with her husband did their marriage for long. As woman won't die. Now tell the husband, so make the husband go check under their bed. You go see 300 million naira and 4 eggs. The man shocked. The man go under the bed. See 300 million naira, he see 4 eggs. Now ask the wife, what are these eggs for? Now the wife said, since we've been in this marriage for 21 years, any day I regret this marriage, I put an egg. So for the man mind, it was okay. Only 4 eggs. Since we married wife for 21 years. Only 4 times. Now the wife not okay, then no problem. Now ask the wife, say, what about the money? The woman say, this one are money for all the egg, what all the sell since. You know, say some joke go the crack, if you don't go school, you go big person.